Now student, we are going to solve question number 8.14, and in this question it is given to you a Saturn year is 29.5 times the Earth year. Clear? So in this question we can write like this: time period of this Saturn, this is equal to 29.5 times of time period of Earth. Clear? Now how far is Saturn from the Sun if Earth is 1.5 into 10 to the power 8 kilometer away from Sun? Clear? So it is also given the distance between Earth and Sun. We have 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 meter. Clear? Now what is my objective? My objective here is to calculate distance between Saturn and Sun. Clear? So let's suppose I am writing this is equal to RS. Clear? So from here we can say, actually we can write here one expression, that is T square is directly proportional to R cube. Clear? It is given to you T square directly proportional to R cube. So we can write like this: time period. We can say time period of a Saturn divided by time period of a Earth, this whole square, this is equal to distance between Saturn and Sun. Clear? Saturn and Sun, and we can say distance between Earth and Sun, and this is whole cube. Clear? Now we can put here all values. Clear? So now our objective here in this question is to calculate value of RS. Clear? And we can say RE. RE is given 1.5 into 10 to the power 11. Clear? And this is equal to whole cube. Clear? Now it is equal to, I can say TS upon T. Clear? So TS, directly we can say this is 29.5 TE divided by, I can say this is TE, and this one is whole square. Clear? We can say this T and T, this is cancelled out. Clear? So from here we can say RS divided by 1.5 into 10 to the power 11, this is equal to 29.5, and power we can say 2 by 3. Clear? So now we can say, let's suppose approximately we can take this is 27 for example. So we are taking if 27, then we can say this 3 cube. Clear? So at the time you can write like this: RS, this is equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 multiply. Clear? Multiply 29.5 we have. So we can say here we are getting only 3, and that is square. So I can say it is multiplied with 9. Clear? Yes or no? Because this is 3 cube, cube and cube is cancelled out. Clear? And we can say 3 square, that is equal to 9. Clear? So from here you can say we are getting that is 13.5 into 10 to the power 11 meter. Clear? So definitely you will get here values more than 13.5. Clear? So approximately if we take into consideration of a term 29.5, we are saying, let's suppose this is 14.5 into 10 to the power 11 meter, or we can say this is 14.5 into 10 to the power 8 kilometer. Clear? So we can say this is distance between Saturn and Sun. Clear? So this is all about this question.